Hello viewers, in this video we will see how you can create a watch list and add a script in the new and improved StockNote mobile app. To do so, first log into the StockNote app using your trading login credentials and go to the watchlist section. Now tap on Create button. A pop-up will appear where you will have to enter the group name which is commonly known as watchlist name. Now to add a script, select your desired segment which can be equity that consists of stocks of the companies, currencies that consist of global currencies like USD INR, Euro INR, etc. and commodities that consists of gold, crude oil, etc. Then select your desired underlying type, enter the script name and tap on Add Sign to select the script and then click on the Add Symbol button. By this, your watchlist is ready. If you wish to add a script to an existing watchlist, you can simply tap on the search icon, select the desired segment and underlying type and enter the script name in the search bar. And tap on the add sign to select the script and tap on the add symbol to add script in your desired watchlist. So that's it in this video. In case you face any difficulty, feel free to contact us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.